This is Ian, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including the updated second edition of Social Security in 30 Minutes by author Emily Pogue. Today, SSDI in the Social Security Administration's official definition of disability. And in Emily's book, specifically Volume 2, where she talks about SSDI and other disability-based benefit programs, she talks about what's required for Social Security disability insurance, which is what SSDI stands for. And there's two really key concepts to understand when you're getting into this. The first thing to understand is that SSDI, it requires work history. So you need a certain number of work credits to qualify. The other thing, which is less understood, is you have to meet the government's definition of disability. Now, Emily talks about this in the book, but I urge you, if you're watching this video and you're curious about this, really check out the ssa.gov website. This is the official Social Security website. They have a definition of disability under the disability evaluation under Social Security. Basically, go to this page and then look at definition of disability. It lays it out exactly what it means. So it means the inability to engage in any substantial gainful activity by reason of any medically determinable physical or mental impairments which can be expected to result in death or it will last at least 12 months. And there's some more information about disability in children. And then importantly, there's a section about determination. So in order to get SSDI, you're going to need to meet some qualifications. That includes work history, as we were just describing before, as well as meeting the government's definition of disability. And yes, this is a bureaucratic process to apply for this particular program. You have to show that you qualify. Of course, there are other issues and qualifications related to SSDI, but those are the two really big ones: work credits and whether or not you meet the definition of disability. Our book, Social Security in 30 Minutes, it basically lays it out in kind of easy to understand English, but I also urge you to check out the official ssa.gov website to learn more about the SSDI program and what the definition of disability is. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.